Sunshine Club is basically just a way for us to kind of spread a little bit of joy and happiness throughout the school year. It really started honestly with Kelly, with our boss, before she was our boss, and she would kind of like coordinate like gifts for people and things like that. Me and Kathy kind of took it over.
I just kind of thought back to when I first started and how you, as an itinerant, you feel kind of isolated, alone, because you're out there and you see everybody for in-person trainings. And I thought, here's all these new people coming in, hardly knowing anybody. So what can we do to build that camaraderie and, a little bit of, like, let them feel a little less alone? So we started doing after work activities, and like once a month we would come together as a group and try to build those kinds of relationships.
So some of the things we do is we have like a couple things that we do annually. In the fall we go to Mayzilla and we split up into teams and we do the corn maze and see who can come out the fastest. I've also go to lunch at Richmond Farms Brewery.
The response Katarina and I have gotten from our co-workers saying, oh my gosh, you guys are doing a great job. We love all the things that you're trying to do. Sometimes we have like huge groups of people show up and participate and we just have so much fun and it's just relaxing. And then there's other times where the group is a little bit smaller, a little more intimate, so then we have time to like share what's going on and bounce ideas off of each other and just support each other.
With the sensory impaired department, we don't see each other a lot because we're all kind of separated and in different schools. So it's nice to come together and just chat with each other and catch up.
The speech department went through a little time when morale got low because we were having a high turnover. It was tough. It was tough to kind of come out of that. But getting those little nudges of, hey, you're doing a great job, helped.
Kathy, she would send me things like when I was a first year and it was like a really tough time for me. She sent me like a little envelope and it was like, we're halfway there, and with like a bunch of little like emergency kit things. And she really is always thinking of others, and she sends people things even like during the year to their schools with like little pieces of candy or like a little tea bag just to kind of help them feel better and just know that you're not alone and we're in this together.